it's time to declutter some lip glosses, and I actually don't have that many. There's gonna be some lip creams in here as well. I think it's mostly like glossy products in like packagings like this. That's basically where we're at with this little declutter part. And we're gonna see if I can get rid of some of these as well, because I don't use all of these. Even though I've been more into gloss lately, I don't use all of these. I'm gonna see how much I can declutter. I have some declutter baskets ready, so we can see if we can get rid of some of these. Let me bring out some different ones that we can talk about. Okay, this one is from MAC. This is the Oh Sweetie lip cream. This one is in coconut macaron. I am a bit stained on my hand because I filmed another declutter before. This is beautiful, but they did discontinue this. My god, this smells so nice. Let me save this one and see if I can get some more use out of it. But they did discontinue this, so stop it. I can't really like recommend this to anyone because it's not available anymore. And I think also that they might have discontinued these like bite glosses. These just need to be like stirred into a bit. This is French press and flat white. These are lovely though. I'm definitely keeping these. This Huda Beauty gloss, I have not used this since my last declutter. It is a beautiful gloss, but when I want a pinky gloss, I do not reach for this one, even though it is a pretty like duochrome pink. This is not what I reach for. This one is from Kylie. This is in Glitz. This is a really nice gloss, but same here. I have not reached for this one single time since my last declutter, so it's time for it to go. Then I have some of these from, I think I have more. I really like these. I have these are the lip toppers from Jouer. I have Frostbite and Saint-Tropez. I do actually use these from time to time, so I think I'm gonna hold on to them for a bit longer. And then I have some Anastasia glosses and some Gerard glosses. And I have a MAC gloss here. Oh, and there is a Pixie one. Oh, here's another one of the Anastasia ones. Oh, look, here's another Huda one. This one is in Snobby. This is her lip strobe in Snobby. This one I use quite a lot actually. It's really pretty. I'm gonna save that one. Then we have this MAC gloss. This is beautiful, but I never ever use this one. It is such a, I don't know what I was I high buying this? It is so pretty and I really want to use it, but I don't. So let's not pretend anymore and let's just get rid of it. These two glosses from Gerard are really pretty. I do use these. It is in Madison Avenue and Nude. And I'm gonna save both of them because they're really nice, semi-opaque, non-glittery lip glosses. Really like them. This one is from Pixie and Chloe Morello. I just recently used this one. I'm not gonna save it because I didn't like the applicator. Nothing wrong with the formula. Applicator was so-so. These are glosses from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Really like this formula. I do use these from time to time. They're very opaque, but I'm gonna save all of these. This is in Date Night, Kristen, Amber, and Sunset Strip. Really nice colors. I will save them. Then we have, oh my god, what do I have? A Buxom and NYX. Oh my god. Oh, here's another one of these from, how many do I have? Do I have 3 really? Do I need 3 of these from Jouer? It's my god, stop it. Funfetti, Saint-Tropez, and Frostbite. Maybe I'll get rid of Frostbite, because that is least my style. I think that Funfetti is most my style, the one that's like this pinky glittery thing, so I'll save these two. This one I'm getting rid of. This is the one I use. This is Filler Instinct by NYX. This one is in Major Mouth Age. These are stingy lip glosses, and I hate that, so I'm getting rid of it. I've given the other ones away. Oh, this is just a lip oil. This is Everything Lip Oil from NYX. Really, really love these. Definitely saving it. These are some Strictly Vinyl glosses. These are nice, but they're fully opaque. And when I want a fully opaque gloss, I am actually going for this by Anastasia. So I'm actually going to get rid of this. Even though I think it's a pretty nice formula, I do not reach for them. This Buxom gloss, I got this thinking I was going to love it. And I have used it a bit, but I don't think that this formula is It's very nice, and I don't think that this formula is as amazing as everyone says, so I am actually gonna get rid of it. It's Rose Julep, but I never reached for this. I was very optimistic buying this one. This one I'm actually gonna get rid of because I have gotten another red gloss lately that I prefer over this one. I'm gonna show you that one in a bit. I really love these candy slicks by NYX. I've used them quite a lot, but I haven't used all of the colors, so I'm actually gonna get rid of these two purpley colors, and I'm gonna save the more muted down colors because these are more my style. This is Sugar Coated Kiss, Watermelon Taffy, S'more Please. This S'more Please is my favorite, and then it's this one that's called Cream Bee. These are really nice. I love the formula. They're like a mix between a gloss and a balm. They are so nice on the lips. They go on glossy and then they not dry down, but they turn a bit more satin over time. I really like how these are on the lips, and I'm gonna save those. These two glosses that I got from Nabla are so nice and juicy. These are more like see-through glosses. This is from the summer collection that they have with the cutie palettes. So this is what they look. They are After Sex and Champagne Supernova. I'm gonna save both of these because these look really nice on the lips. Oh, here's another one of these candy slicks. This one is in Sweet Stash. Love this color, but I don't think I'm gonna I'm not gonna say that one. Let me get rid of that one as well. This one is this is one of the Supreme Lip Creams by Gerard. I have only used this once, I think, but it's a really nice color. Let me save that one another declutter and see if I can reach for it a bit more. This one is in Destiny. Then I have some of these Wet n Wild glosses. Let me see if I can get them up here. Oh, here's another NYX gloss. I think these are it. This NYX gloss is in Duochromatic in Fair Play. This is... Have I used this a lot? That is so pretty. It's like a bronzy pink. You know what? I'm gonna save this one and see if I can get some use out of this one because that's a really pretty color. These glosses are really nice. I don't really use this color. That is the Cancer one. These are the Zodiac ones. This one is more of a whitey pink color, and I don't really use this color that much, but the other two are beautiful. So I'm gonna save these two because I really like them. They are in Leo and Taurus. I don't know if these are still available, but they're beautiful. And I'm gonna save this, and I am gonna get rid of another gloss that's really similar. Where did I put it? I had it here. Here it is. No, it is. Here it is. This is the Pure My Little Pony gloss. These are very similar, so I'm actually gonna get rid of the My Little Pony one, and I'm gonna save these two instead by Wet n Wild. Oh, these are not. These are liquid lipsticks. These are Mark, like the Lamarck lip creams. It's Fawn Over Me and Truth or Bear. They're more like a lip cream. I think they're meant to be like a liquid lipstick, but they don't dry down. But they're really nice. I'm gonna say both of them. This is a nice formula, but it's more like a lip cream. Here's another one of these Strictly Vinyls. This one is another kind of color though. Should I save this one as more of a lighter color? No, I think I'm gonna be good. This one is the Fenty Beauty collection from last year. I do use this, but I think I can get rid of it because Snobby by Huda Beauty is pretty much a dupe for this one, and Snobby is still available. This was limited edition and it's no longer available. Then we have some H&M lip glosses, and these are really nice, but they have been with me for a while, so I'm gonna get rid of them. Then we have this one. This is a nudie one from Pixie by Petra. This is in Honey Sheen. This one I got in a glossy box. It's a really nice color, and I love how this looked on the lips, so I'm gonna keep it. I have a Morphe gloss that's like a bronzy warm color. This one looked nothing in real life like it did on picture. It is a nice formula and a nice packaging, but I'm not gonna save this one. It is in Sunnies, but I'm not gonna save it because this isn't a kind of color I reach for, like the bronzy one. Then I have some ColourPop ones. Let me see here. And I have some juicy tubes as well that we are gonna do. And I have two other glosses before ColourPop. This is a Star Trek and MAC lipstick. This is in, well, lip gloss. This is in Con. Definitely saving this one. I have actually used this a bit. It's a nice color, but mostly I'm saving it because it's, stop it, because it's Star Trek. Okay, let me live. This one is stunning. This is a peachy glittery lip gloss. This is from Becca. This is in citrine and apricot. Oh my god, this is one of the prettiest. Oh, do you see that? This is so pretty. It is a beautiful shimmery apricot-y peach. It is absolutely stunning. Definitely saving this one. One of the prettiest glosses I own, actually. Okay, these are the ColourPop glosses. This one is in Tight Fit. This is pretty old, and I have similar glosses like this. Actually, this one is pretty similar, the one from Pixie that I just got, so I'm gonna get rid of that one. This is beautiful. This is a Nonsense. I used to use this so much. It is like a purpley gloss, but this is also a bit old, so let's actually get rid of it. These are two new glosses. They are a bit more like very juicy and no glitter. They're from the strawberry collection from ColourPop. I'm actually gonna save these two. Then I have the two Villain glosses. It's Hades one and the Cruella one. Both of these are really nice as well. Really new to my collection. I am gonna save them. This is the ColourPop and Hello Kitty one. This is a nice gloss as well, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this is a pinky beautiful gloss, but it's also very similar to the Snobby gloss, the one from Huda Beauty. So I'm gonna get rid of this one as well. Wow, I'm doing good. Okay, it's only the juicy tubes left. These are probably my most used gloss formula right now. And I have to say that all of these, except one, I have gotten in PR. This is the one that I bought myself, Big Slice. And this is what I said, I have an orangey red lip gloss right now that I like to use. Definitely saving this one. It's absolutely stunning. It has a nice red tint. I also am gonna save this one, make it Savvy, and the orangey one that is called Vavavoom. I like these that have a bit more color to them. Same with this one that's called In the Cut, and this one that is called Dress Code. They have a little bit of color to them, and I think it's really nice on the lips. Some of these are pretty similar. Are these the same one? No, it's She's Here and Roundabout. These are so similar. Are these the same? One of these could be not used. This one is not used. I'm gonna remember that. So let me get rid of that one. This is All Talk, and this one has been used. This one, it doesn't really do anything for the lips, and I think I'm gonna prefer one of the other ones over this one. So let me get rid of that one. I don't need both of these. I'm gonna save Roundabout and get rid of She's Here, and I'm gonna save these as well. I know I'm saving a lot of those, but I love those glosses. So these are the ones I'm saving. I'm saving more than I'm getting rid of, because these are the ones I'm getting rid of, but yeah. I didn't have that many glosses, but I think I did good. Let me see how many I get rid of. 26. I think that's pretty good though. I got rid of 26 and I feel like it's much more manageable now. I do use glosses nowadays much more than I did before, but I don't need to have dupes, and I don't need to have old glosses, and I don't need to have glosses in my collection that I actually don't use, because I want to save the ones I actually reach for. And I think I have. That was nice, and that was quick. Was this quick? I think this was really quick. One of my quicker ones. I am gonna do liquid lipsticks in my last one. So that's gonna be the last lip declutter, and it might be the last declutter altogether for this season. I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll include something else afterwards, but yeah, let's do liquid lipsticks next. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to see liquid lipsticks in my next declutter. That's gonna come up pretty soon. I do upload quite a lot of videos, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!